Hello everyone. My name is Dương. Today I would like to introduce to you about my house. My house also is not is always warm. Plan my house has two floors with seven rooms. On the first there is a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and my parents' bedroom. On the second floor, you can find a bathroom and two bedrooms. About my house, my bedroom, and my young brother bedroom. Is like I like my bedroom because it's it is the recorded according to me, and I feel comfortable. Therefore, my house also a garden flower is very beautiful. I like my house very much. I I love I love my house very much because uh, it it has it has pa- it has passed with me family uh, how how many events and it is rich effort of my presence.